smell like you do. Get your pants.
It is time to go out and clean that front porch. But first, I need to find a jacket because I'm in my gym clothes because we're going to the gym when Austin gets home today. But I need a jacket to wear outside. So I'm really kind of sad today because I never miss anything when it comes to my kids, ever, like ever. Well, since little Samson has the flu, he's been out of school. On top of that, my van is broken, so I don't have a car during the day. Let me sit you guys down so I can put my jacket on. I don't have a car during the day. It was supposed to get fixed today, but I left my keys in Austin's car, which means our mechanic that we use could not come and fix it because he couldn't take it anywhere. With that being said, Xander had his Christmas lunch today. It was supposed to be his and Samson's, but of course, you know, Samson's at home. So I missed it. And again, I don't miss anything when it comes to my kids. Ever. Doesn't matter. Don't miss it. Thankfully, I was able to get my dad. Thank you, Daddy, for going and having lunch with him because he was super sad because he thought no one was coming. But my mom's sick, so she couldn't go. So my dad got to go. But we're going to get started cleaning this mess outside. I'm going to show you real quick what it looks like. And then I'm going to get you on that tripod and we're going to get it cleaned up. Okay, I've got the tripod there. Trash bag. I'm just going to sit here. I'm going to show you real quickly what needs to be done. There's not that much stuff. We've got some drop cords out here because in the mornings the kids ride the bus since my car's broke, and we bring a heater out and a blanket to keep it nice and warm. Sorry about the wind. It is blowy. I'm going to try to cover the microphone, so if the audio is off, that is the reason. But this is the stuff that just needs to be picked up. The porch just needs to be swept off. The table needs to be fixed. Trash needs to be thrown away. We're going to do that really quickly so that I can get these lights taken down and the new ones put up. So I got everything cleaned up. I'm actually going to leave this trash bag here because the kids will get on the bus in the morning, and I will just walk that trash bag down there and put it in the trash can, so I'm not going to worry about that. But everything is cleaned up and ready for the lights to go up. I'm going to actually throw this away so this can actually go in there as well. Now I'm just going to take these lights down real quick, and then it'll be ready for the outside lights. Lights are taken down. Front porch is clean. I do need to wipe the table off, but everything's tidied up. So thank you guys so much for joining me in this cleaning this mess on my front porch. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below. I would love to talk to you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.